Hey guys, it's Bree Halo here, and this is my Iron Spider makeup tutorial. All the products used today will be listed throughout the video. Music used will be listed at the end of the video. Please remember to like this video, give it a Spidey thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on other social media that I may or may not have, share with your friends, family, etc. And as always, leave any comments in the comments box below, and make sure to tap that little bell so that you're always notified when I upload a new video. Now I'm pretty pleased with how this one turned out today. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. I know I did get it wrong because I've done more of like the organic sort of looking spider costume, and then I've just kind of painted on the iron spider symbol, but I definitely do want to paint all the spider people. Spider Ham and Penny Parker are going to be the hardest that I know of.
So to start off with, I'm covering my eyebrows with a washable glue stick. Then while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm just drawing on the general shapes of where the eyes will be. Then I'm just powdering over the top of my eyebrows and applying concealer over that. So for the shine on the suit, I decided to go with a mix of white and a tiny bit of red body paint, and I've just applied that to my forehead, cheek and neck. Then going in with just a little bit of white mixed in with the rest of the red body paint, I've just gone in with a larger sort of shine area. And then in the rest of the areas that I've left open, I've obviously just gone in with the red body paint. And for the shadows, I've gone in with a mix of red and the deep mellow, since the deep mellow was really dark compared to the red that I had. And I'm just applying that along the other side of my neck, along the left hand side of my face, and kind of in the hairline a little bit. And you can generally see where I'm going with this. I do try and get a little bit of shading on the chest to kind of make it seem more manly. And I forgot to leave some areas open for the golden blue section of the iron spider symbol on the chest, so I'm just going ahead with a makeup wipe and taking those out. Then taking the deep Merlot, I've started to outline where the webbing will be on the face. And then I've gone back in with a mix of red and the deep Merlot and added some more shading to my face, since I figured by the time I put on the rest of the webbing I'd just be obscuring it all. And so I'm just applying that onto my face roughly and then blending it out. Then just finishing off the web with the deep Merlot. Then I've gone in with a white body paint over the webbing, just where the light would be catching on it. And just continue the webbing down onto my neck and chest, again with the deep Merlot, and then highlighting with the white body paint. Then continuing on with that white body paint, I'm just filling in the eyes on top of my eyelids. I did kind of give myself Deadpool eyes in the end because I just kept going over and reducing the size of the white. So you'll want to keep in mind with Spider-Man, he has really large expressive eyes, unless you're going for a Deadpool-esque or a kind of sassy Spider-Man. So I did fill in with a base of grey body paint, and then I decided that it wasn't going to work how I wanted it to, so then I went back in and filled in the entire grey area with black body paint. So I've gone in with grey body paint over those black areas around the eyes just to kind of create where those folds would be around the eye. Don't really like how it turned out, but that's as close as I could get without a really good reference picture. Then I went in and filled in the gold outline along the edges of the iron spider symbol. And I've gone in with a mix of white and light blue body paint to create the kind of highlighted areas in the blues, and I've just really kept that along the right hand side of the suit. Then I've gone in with that light blue body paint mixed in with a little bit of the darkest blue body paint that I have. And slowly I'm adding more and more of the dark blue body paint and kind of shading it less and less towards the light areas so it creates a really smooth gradient. Then going straight in with the dark blue body paint for the really shadowy areas. And on the left hand side I've just gone straight in with the dark blue. I haven't really created any gradients except for one spot on the arm. And unfortunately a lot of the spider body was cut out because I wasn't really paying attention to whether I was in frame or not when I was filming, so unfortunately that was cut out a lot of the time, but I did kind of recreate what I was doing on the right hand side of the spider and doing a bit of that gradient on one half of the spider and then just going in with the really dark blue on the other side. And then taking that really dark blue body paint, I've just gone over some of the areas along the tops of it. I'm not actually sure what they were on the suit, maybe vents or something, but I went in with the darkest blue and then I went in with the light blue